Here we are, Legato Heights, 1 month away from wrapping up 2025, and the progress is undeniable. We are already on the 5th floor, and we have a spectacular view of the ocean. Hello, engineer. Good to see you.
Abaso, welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine. Yourself?
I'm very well, thank you as well. There's good work I'm seeing here, so tell me, what's the update this month?
So the last update it reached to you.
Yes.
That engineer was telling us about the casting for the 4th floor.
Yes.
We did it. And now we are doing the columns for the 5th floor.
Okay.
And at the same time we are doing the decking for the 5th floor slab.
Okay.
We almost did like 50% of the column.
Wow, that's impressive.
And we have some casting today to be completed.
Okay.
At the same time we are preparing the iron rods for the 5th floor slab. If you go down, starting from the ground floor, as you know, we started the blockwork.
Yes, I've seen it, and it's very clean, I would say.
Thanks a lot. So now we're on the floor, on the 1st floor.
Okay.
You can see almost more than 70% of the blockworks has been done.
Yes.
And we are preparing the 2nd floor also as well. We finished the cleaning, and now the surveyor work will come to start doing the setting out to start the blockwork for the 2nd floor.
On the outside as well,
we already start the filling works around.
Okay.
At the same time, we have the French drain system to suck the water away, protect our building from any water coming from a site.
Okay.
So we are moving and we are preparing to speed up a bit.
Okay, that's impressive. Yes, and that's like a huge milestone.
Yeah,
so what should we be expecting next month?
For the next month, you can come and see the 5th floor being casted.
Nice.
And you can see also some of the columns and the core wall also casted, and the decking will start for the 6th floor cover slab. And you can see the blockwork for the 2nd floor starting. We can see the 1st floor completely of the blockwork.
Okay. I'm really impressed with the work here.
Thank you.
And see you next month, engineer.
Inshallah.
Yes. With just 1 more month of updates for 2025, now is the perfect time for you to secure your home. Contact us for our exclusive end-of-year offers.